Hello everyone, welcome to MultiVendorX. Today we are back with a new video on MultiVendorX WorkBoard and its functions. A WorkBoard is simply a mini store tracker which lets you track on your pending tasks, communicate with vendors, go through the store reviews, or can answer some interesting questions asked by your customers. With the introduction out of the way, let's take a closer look at all our WorkBoard features. Now let's understand each section more closely. The first tab that appears under the WorkBoard is the Task Board tab. Though we will be discussing the Task Board more closely in our next video, here let's take a short introduction on the Task Board functionality. Task Board is a virtual board, as you can see, where all the pending activities are segmented into different boxes that requires action. Now let's swiftly move on to the Announcement tab. Announcements are generally public statements that are usually formal and have a specific purpose. Just like in school, the announcements were made by the principal before any parents-teacher meeting. Similarly, in store or in multi-vendor side, the admin makes some important announcements regarding some business deals or sales. You as an admin can add any important announcement related to the businesses by clicking on the Add Announcement tab, followed by adding all the necessary details like title, URL and the content, also entering the specific vendor ID who can view the announcement from their dashboard. Now from the log, you can track the total announcements made by you. On to the next tab. This section is totally different from the announcement. This in particular is used by you as a tutorial section. Just like a perfect mentor, you as an admin can share tutorial practices, provide updates and guide the vendors to uplift their businesses. Like the announcement, you can create a new knowledge base by clicking on Add Knowledge Base and entering the necessary details like the title and content. Click on Publish to share with your vendors. From here, you can keep track of the customer's review for a particular vendor. You have the authority to delete the review in case it's found offensive or can edit it accordingly. Under this Report Abuse tab, you can keep a note of the customers with proper details who are reporting against the vendor or the product, which will help you to plan your business henceforth. You can filter either by vendors or product for effective search. Last but not the least, from here you can verify the questions asked by the customers regarding any particular product. From the log list, you can view the customer name, product name, statuses of the question, date and the question details. From the action column, you can choose to accept the question or reject them right away. Use these filters to sort the questions according to the product or statuses. With this, we have come to the end of our video. If you like the tutorial, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Click on the small red bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. And do check out our description box for more useful links. Thank you for watching.